Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I'll show you how to turn off spam calls in your Android phone. So at first open up your Google Play Store and then search for Google Phone app. Now from here tap on Phone by Google, then tap on Install. Then it will be downloaded and installed automatically. You don't have to do anything. Now just give it a moment and the download is complete. Now just close the app and then open up your Google phone, then tap on set as default. From here select Google phone, then tap on set as default again. Now Google phone is your default phone app. Now to turn off spam calls, just tap on three dots, then tap on settings. From here go to caller ID and spam. Now by tapping here you can turn off spam calls. And that's it, you have successfully turned off spam calls in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.